how to sign up or how to create new wallet on Near mobile crypto wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily create new wallet account or sign up to Near wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. First things first, you can get the Near crypto wallet from your Play Store or App Store by searching Near mobile on your Play Store or App Store. Then you can open it up. Once you install it, simply open it up and you can see if you already have a wallet, it'll give you the option to import your Near wallet. However, since you want to create a new wallet, simply tap on create wallet option. And here you'll get certain. Near mobile is a non-custodial wallet, how to send your mnemonic and never share your mnemonic. So you can tap on Generate Mnemonic and it should generate the key phrase, and you can tap on next and go ahead and enter in certain prompts and then easily create the wallet. Once you have created the wallet, make sure to back up your key phrase that it just showed up, which will be essential for you to log in back to your account anytime or recover your account. I hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.